Okay, I'm going to go to Bandakam. Okay, here we go. The fully thing, the fully thing. Geometry dash. So shit, bro. So yeah, let's see, bro. This is not Sean, bro. Oh, I just opened command prompt, but this is not what I've been expecting. Look at Sundoy's house. .html. Follow my TikTok. Okay. Put it over there. Click, and it goes to the TikTok. There we go. It was been a bro. It was been a turun, and look at my post. Look at this. Look at this dude.
That's my high
Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I'm tired.
Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! It's because it wasn't both. Now, let's go.
First, we got the Abby. The Bandicam recording. Okay, download it again. The digital tertod. Put it the user.
Put the user in it.
Put the user in it. Admin. There we go, the download there. And you see that there is my worst folder. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. This is Messenger. And look at this. What the hell is that? No. Okay, so yeah. Undoy OS. Okay. BLC Snap. 1366 plus 768. No, times 6. Look at my worst PPTX ever. Okay. Here is my friend. The Philippines. Yeah. So, okay. There we go. What the hell is this? There's a core download. This is not fake. Let's go to the Windows Media Player. This is not even fake again. It always says yes. Here we go. It's not working though, so I don't want it. I don't want it to go there, bro. So okay. It's okay dokie. I didn't think that this WAV is WAVy WAV. Look at this. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Like this. No, don't see it. Don't see it. Okay. What is this? Okay, what the hell? Okay. Oh shit. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Iri quanging. And look at the Dodong important files. Not working files for my music. This patoy. Look.
Game start.
Okay, let's go. I hate ads. That working file. Okay, that's my brother. Plays Geometry Dash. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Okay. Okay, not working.
a king.
Okay. What Excel is Dodong copy. Okay. Now let's go. It is unregistered. Now let's stop. 3, 2, 1.